Hello, welcome all. Today we are going to install Apex in our local system. For that, we need to download Apex first. So please go at apex.oracle.com URL, type it in your browser. Here you can see download Oracle Apex button. Please click on it. Here are the all versions. Use this link for the latest version. Update. It is for update. This Apex link is for all languages. This Apex link is for only English language. And this is the pet set bundle for Oracle Apex. Pet set bundle is used when after installing the new version of the Apex, if your application is facing some kind of feature is not working right now properly, then you can use this pet set bundle. Right now we have to install Apex freshly on our local system for the first time. We will use Oracle Apex 26.1 all language link. By clicking on this link, your Apex will be downloaded in the zip form. So here my Apex is downloaded. This is the zip file, so I have extracted it in the folder. This kind of folders will be there in the zip. And now as we have installed Oracle XE earlier, we have the database already installed on our system. And Oracle XE supports Oracle Apex versions. So first of all, we will check which Oracle XE version do we have. For that, please open SQL command prompt. So here in the command prompt, we will write SQL plus sysdba. So we need to write the password which we used when we have installed Oracle XE in our local system. So you have to use here password of your system that you have provided. So here we are writing our sys password, and we have came here to check our Oracle XE version. So we'll write select version from v dollar instance. So my Oracle XE version is 21. You can please check it. What is your version using this command? Now, as our Apex is present in XCPDB1 container, we need to alter our Oracle session to XEPDB1. We have to start our SQL prompt from the path where our Apex folder is present. So I will exit from here. Here we will go to the path where our Apex files are present. So you check it out here. We are in C folder Apex. These are the installation files. In the command prompt, we will write here cd paste. Okay. Now here we will use SQL plus. Here we will write the password of our sys DBA. Now we will set the session first because Apex supporting environment is in the XCPDB1 container. So we'll alter the session here. Session is altered. Now we will use our installation script. We have to write here, I use here INS SQL. And our Apex is being installed. It will take few minutes. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes to finish. The parameters which we use, that is sysaux and temp, those represents the table space. Temp table space for files, table space for Apex user, temporary table space, and temp is for temporary table space, and /i/ is for virtual directory for images that we will be using in our applications, and Apex images are there which Apex is providing us. As we have used all languages in our Apex, here is the configuration of Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Arabic. It is used for language translations whenever multi language applications are needed. So now the installation is completed. This is the last line that you will see when installation is finished. Till then, please allow Apex to get installed. It has taken roughly 20 minutes. Now, once this is installed, we have to configure the Apex instance. We still have to be connected with XCPTP1 only. Now we will run a script. We will set the admin password. We will keep your admin email. Now we have, it is asking for the admin's password. Okay. Now see, I have not followed the password rules and regulations. So here are the rules and regulations we need to be sure while choosing a password for admin account of the Apex. It must contain one punctuation characters. Okay. Again, we will write it. Admin and password is. Now it's okay. Now, once we have set the admin password, we will now configure the REST service. So for that, we will use this SQL. Enter the password for the Apex listener user. Now here we need to add the password for the listener. Again for Apex REST public user. And this done. Now we have to unlock the public accounts. For that we have to use alter user Apex public user unlock. Something I has mistaken. Account unlock. I have forgot to write here account. It's done. And another is, now after unlocking this, we have to set the password. And our password here is remove the account here and it's done. Now, in case when we have to download ORDS, because we have to now set up the Oracle REST data service. So for that we have to download ORDS from Oracle. So here search for ORDS, download Oracle, click on the first link, and here we do have ORDS download. Here we got ORDS latest download as a zip file. Now we will extract it as we have done with Apex one. Now to install the ORDS, we need to move till bin folder in the command prompt, and here we will write our command ords config install. Now I don't have any Java here, so it is asking for the Java runtime. I will install it. If you also don't have Java, please install the latest Java and proceed further. Now as we have Java installed, we have downloaded JDK, And then please check. Don't forget to add the path of your JDK bin folder in the environment variable. Then you can check it out like this in your command prompt for which whether the Java is found by the system or not. Now when Java is getting, we can install ords. So when installing ords, some prompts are being asked. So we'll choose first basic here. Database hostname is localhost. Port is also 1521. Here we will write our service name that we have used in while installing Oracle Apex. So our was xcpdb1 sysdba, and our configuration mode further. But remember, if in the password you have any kind of symbolic underscore or dollar for the admin password, please change it. Otherwise, here it will be failed. Remove the symbols, keep it just alphanumeric. You can change it by using order user command. Here we will use A for accept and continue. I am accepting. It will take some time. Please allow it to finish. So this is how our ords is initialized. It is installed. So now to access our Apex instance, we will use the URL. Now as we can see here, we have not mapped images folder of Apex to ords. So to set our image folder, we need to write here ords config, the config path, config set standalone.static.path, and then give a path of our images folder. Now let's check what happens when we have. Now I will refresh here. So we will first have to start ords service from the command prompt. How we will do that? Here we will write a command ords config ords. Sorry, my path is Oracle Apex ords config ser. Now as here it is a space, I will give here double quotes. By mistake I have written server. Now serve here. Now our ords is on. Now our Apex is working. We'll write here admin. Our workspace is internal. Username is admin. We are able to log in our Apex. So in this way, we have completed our installation on our local system. Thank you so much for watching.